Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make an objective. This is a way to have a clear idea and to be specific. It got the following characteristics. It is a sentence or a paragraph with a maximum of 3 lines in which is written what is it going to be done, how is it going to be done, and where is it going to be done, and for what. It must be punctual and specific. It should not go around or be too long. When it's read, it must be clearly understood what the idea is and how it will do. You must follow the following reading instruction. This video is also available in Spanish. Okay, so our objective is extremely important because it's what are you going to do when you are starting to develop a project, a product or service. So it got a specific structure that you must follow. Sometimes people tend to make a very long objective. If you do a long objective, it's completely wrong. You need to be maximum of 3 lines. If you do it more like that, you are doing it wrong. Okay, so the first thing that you do when you start writing your objective is the verb. It has to start with the infinitive verb, depending of what are you going to do or develop. After that, you write what to do. It means in which field. So is it going to be done in a city, in a specific neighbor, where? The field is extremely important. After that, what actions are you going to do to make that happen? It means how are you going to do your uh, product, service, project, whatever you're doing. Then you are doing for who? Who is the user? People. In which age? From where? So if you are very specific, that is extremely important because it will help you to develop your project. Something is very important. If you are very specific in your development and when you're writing your objective, people will understand very clearly. You will not have to answer some questions because people start asking questions when things are not clear. So if you want to develop an objective properly, you have to be very specific. And for who's the user, where, all of that is extremely important. Then and final, you need to do where. Where is it gonna take when you are going to develop this? This is the structure for a general objective. If you want to write a specific objective, you will need to put one more action. But it's extremely important that you specify where is it going to be developed. That is very important because it's not to say I'm going to develop this in San Francisco. Okay, San Francisco is an extremely big city. But if you go and you be very specific and detailed, where are you going to develop this? It will help you a lot with your development. As a conclusion, we can say that having a clear objective is essential to develop any project, work, or business model. It is important that it is well written, keep it short and concise. When reading it, it should be clearly understood that is what is and how is it going to be taken. This is the structure for a general objective. Like I told you, if you want to write a specific objective, you keep the same instruction plus the specific action that is going to be taken to develop the development that you are having. Thank you so much. I hope this structure will help you a lot with your development and you can read your objective. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 design thinking and innovation channel in the whole YouTube universe. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.